Welcome to the complete teardown of this 2009 Jeep Liberty, or as I like to think of it, the before picture. If you live outside of North America, you might know this as a Cherokee. It's a pretty demanding sticker there, Heart My Cat. I guarantee you that cat made her put it on there. Let's take a quick look at this interior. It's pretty filthy. And I really don't know why I just stuck my finger in that. So I typically do a treasure hunt. This one did not yield much booty, other than a few shiny coins. The interior is actually in pretty good shape. But I just couldn't help myself, I had to start tearing it apart. I believe this engine's completely shot, so not really worth repairing. So that's how I ended up here. I think the owner finally gave up on the repairs on this, but we'll give it a quick try and see if it'll start. Maybe it's something simple. It's probably not, and this engine is dead. This is the 3.7, 210 horsepower, 235 foot-pounds of torque, and this engine has 150,000 miles on it. These engines are typically pretty reliable, but they do have problems, like defective valve seats, which I think this might be the issue with this one, but we'll find out later when we dig into this engine. And no, it does not start. You've seen the before, now stick around for the after. We're going to be tearing this thing down to nothing.